Hi, I'm Alice. Do you have kids in the family? I want to show you how easy it is to organize all their keepsakes. Every year, I've got it, you've got it, your kids come home with all those school pictures. Every year you take them, you buy them, the class photos. We've got our birthday cards, invitations. We've got our awards. We've got our report cards. It just goes on and on and on. And if you're like most of us, we end up putting it in a box or somewhere thinking, I'm going to wait for that rainy day, I'll tackle it, I'll figure out something to do with it. Well, I solved the problem. Through the Years is a keepsake album that chronologically organizes your child's life. Now, this is my daughter's book, and it goes from starting preschool, so age 3, age 4, all the way through graduation. Every year is highlighted. Now I'm going to show you the main feature of the book. This is my grandson, Dawson, and I'm just going to turn a few pages here so you can see him grow up right before your eyes. This is my favorite part, to see how they change. But all you do is you go to the grade, you open and file. How easy is that? Now anybody can do this. Instead of all this important information, the report cards and awards and certificates ending up in a box, you just file it. Now our pocket pages are large enough, so it will accommodate 8.5 by 11 sheet. And also our pages are gusseted, so they do expand, so they hold a lot. Now this is not for the macaroni art or the cotton ball snowman, but the important things that you want to keep, instead of them ending up here, getting lost and ruined, why not put them into a beautiful album? It becomes their personal biography. We even engrave it with their name. So if you have more than one child, you know whose book you're pulling. And being that it is a 3-ring binder, you can also add to it. These are just little document covers if you want. We have some extra pages if they play sports. We have a team page. Now my daughter couldn't frame all these and put them on the wall. You know, they do 2 or 3 sports a year. So they're chronologically organized in their book. We also have one for summer camp if they go to camp. And then we have a blank pocket page. The blank pocket page can be used for religious ceremonies, activities, maybe a special family vacation. So it's very versatile. Now, all of our products are photo safe. They're printed on acid-free, lignin-free paper. I want to thank you for coming by today and learning about Through the Years and how easy it is to preserve all your children's keepsakes and mementos. If you would like, you can go to www.throughtheyearsalbums.com. Please place your order for all your kids. It's easy. It's a wonderful tribute to them. You'll be glad you did. Thanks.